Watch the entire video if you want to increase your baseline happiness. How often do we go into the toilet without a phone? If you sit on a subway, how often do you see someone who is not on their phone? Someone who does not have headphones in their ears? When I'm outside, if it's in my neighborhood or in the inner city, I rarely see anyone sitting still without being stimulated, just looking at nature. Looking, seeing, hearing, feeling, all of these things should be satisfying enough for you to live, for you to not feel negative emotion. Yet people need some source of stimulation to be at their baseline. Kids need to play video games, adults need to watch movies. What's happening? To understand all the details of this, we have to look at evolution. Every organism has desire to survive, because without desire you don't have any survival. And that's why the almighty evolution gave us dopamine, the neurotransmitter that, based on feedback that our brain gets, helps us decide what is desirable and what is not. So when you're excited to eat, if you're excited to reproduce, that's dopamine. There are other things to be excited about, but remember, if you desire something, that's dopamine. Okay, but why is your brain messed up right now? Well, you see, first of all, evolution took place in nature, not in modern society. The dopamine system is very easily hijacked by stimulation. So in nature, you haven't got that much stimulation. You've got the sun, you've got trees, you've got grass, you've got other people, things that humans are designed to appreciate and love. In modern society, however, we've got music, we've got YouTube, we've got movies, we've got phones, we've got computers, we've got endless amounts of stimulation jacking up that dopamine 24/7. And what happens when you're stimulated day in and day out is that you become dopamine resistant, so you need this more dopamine to feel the same thing. So if you listen to the same song over and over again, the song isn't going to be that great anymore. People who watch adult movies tend to spiral down into messed up categories because of dopamine. They've jacked up the system so much that they need even more stimulation to get the same amount. I guess you already know what happens to everyday life when you're hyperstimulated. It becomes very, very dull. Looking at a beautiful lake or a beautiful tree or a flower or a squirrel running up a tree or a duck or baby ducks becomes much more dull than it actually is, because your brain is designed to react to a fighting scene in a movie or extremely loud music or whatever it might be. Since no one wants their life to be dull, there has to be a solution, right? The way you go back to your natural state, the way you rewire your brain to appreciate things that should be appreciated, is by destimulation. Commonly also called dopamine detoxing. Dopamine detoxing as a name is a bit incorrect, because you're not really detoxing anything. All you're doing is inducing less dopamine spikes in your daily life so that the receptors can heal. So from now on, I'm gonna call it dopamine fasting, because that's essentially what you're doing. Now we can split dopamine fasting into two categories. You've got one category that pertains to your lifestyle, and the other one is a practice. As a lifestyle, you're trying to remove things that cause excessive dopamine spikes. So TV watching, excessive mobile usage, if you've got Instagram, TikTok or Snapchat, delete them. And we must also include the teenagers' two favorite things, video games and adult movies. As a genuine practice, it's very, very simple. You go out somewhere in nature or just in your neighborhood where no one's playing music or anything, and you spend a lot of time there. That's it. Yeah, of course, you're practicing this stuff if you do it for 1 to 2 hours, sometime every 2 weeks or something, sure. But to be consistent and to get results, do one day where you do just that. So that means one day of no stimulation at all. No information consumption, so no books, no computer, no phone, no anything at all. You can eat, of course. Some people like to fast. Some people like to not utter a single word. The instructions are pretty clear, so there isn't anything to elaborate on, is there? Except there is meditation. We've covered the lifestyle stuff and we've covered the practice stuff. But we can delve even deeper into the practice stuff because thoughts are also stimulation. Sometimes we have very vivid scenarios in our head. Martial artists, as an example, like to visualize when they defend someone against something with their skills. I know jiu-jitsu guys love to do that. You're still being stimulated. So when you're meditating, there's no chance that you can be stimulated after a certain while, when you've got access concentration, which is when you can concentrate on the object of meditation for a very long time. So the ultimate form of dopamine fasting is actually meditation. So if you're gonna make one of the weekdays, one of these days where you just do dopamine fasting, make sure that you get, as many hours of meditation in as you can. And this might seem extreme if you are not into the meditation retreats type of thingy, but I promise you 4 hours on such days isn't hard at all. Just split it up and make sure you've got a daily practice beforehand, and that's all you need. Remember, we're talking about physical brain changes that occur when you do dopamine fasting and meditation, if you want to go the meditation route. That's why I'm making this video, because generally I talk about health, and this is a very, very important thing if you want to be healthy. You can't have the perfect diet and then watch adult movies, because then you're gonna mess up your brain. Personally, I've been trying to cut down on dopamine-inducing things for the last few months, and I can say that life becomes much more enjoyable if you do this. It actually works. Trust me. Like the video if you actually like the video, share the video with someone that needs it, and thank you for being a part of the community, whether you're subscribed or you're not. If you're not, then join. I want you here. Go and achieve excellent health. I know you can do it.